What's the most challenging or ridiculous repair you've ever seen on a vehicle?
Craziest repair I've had, I wouldn't have been here, it would have been my own vehicle. I had a Blazer that actually only shifted into second gear on my way home from work the one day.
Most ridiculous repairs that I have ever done have been wiring harness recalls. Wiring has always been my least favorite, and they're usually very corroded and hard to get off.
So recently, when we had a really bad Wisconsin typical snowstorm, I allowed my boss to move my car about 15 feet. I came out at the end of the day to find that he had left it in drive with the parking brake on for the entire day. Basically blew up my battery, and I ended up having to have him buy me a new battery and have the technicians fix it, as well as jumpstart the vehicle.
I once had a customer call me, and he had an oil change done at another business. They put used oil in his car, so it completely destroyed his engine.
The most challenging repair that I've ever seen is a car that was completely chewed by mice, wiring, seats, underhood, just complete mouse destruction to the point where it totaled out the car.